This is a numerical problem. A gas is suddenly compressed to 1/4 of its original volume. Calculate the rise in temperature, the original temperature being 27 degrees Celsius, and Cp by Cv, that is gamma, is equal to 1.5. Okay, then we find the rise in temperature, that is T2. Okay, then we know how we know this is a adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, the wall of the container is perfectly insulated, so there is no heat exchange between the gas and surrounding. Okay, first one. The second one is the compression. Gas in gas, compression and rarefaction is very fast, so there is no heat exchange between the surrounding and gas. So a gas is suddenly compressed, so compression suddenly compressed, so that is the adiabatic process. We know adiabatic process, Pv to the power gamma is equal to constant. So we know from previous class we will discuss relation between pressure, volume and temperature. So pressure, volume and temperature, we get the Pv with Pv is equal to RT, then V is equal to RT by P. Okay, then Pv to the power gamma is equal to constant. So we put the value of Pv to the power gamma is equal to constant. So we put the value of V in this. V is equal to RT by P. Okay, in gamma is equal to constant. So this implies that P R to the power gamma T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma is equal to K. So this implies that P to the power 1 minus gamma. Okay, this is P. P to the power 1 minus gamma into T to the power gamma is equal to constant. This is one equation. We put the value of Pv to the power gamma is equal to Pv to the power gamma is equal to constant. The RT is equal to Pv is equal to RT. So we find V, P is equal to RT by V. Okay, then Pv to the power gamma is equal to constant. So we put the value of P, RT by V, V to the power gamma is equal to constant. So V to the power gamma minus 1 into T to the power gamma. V to the power gamma minus 1 into T is equal to K. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, V to the power gamma minus 1 into T is equal to K. So from this equation, T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 to the power gamma minus 1. So we find T2 from this equation. So T1 is equal to we find the value of Kelvin. We converted the degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So 200 we add 273 degree. Okay, is $300. Okay, 300 degree Celsius. Okay, then from T2 T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1 divided by V2 gamma to the power minus 1. So T1 V1 divided by V2 into gamma minus 1. So we know gamma equal 1.5. So T1 is equal to 300 and 1 by 4th of its original volume. V2 is equal to 1 and V1 is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 by 1, I will write clearly. V2 is equal to and V1 is equal to 4. 1 by 4th of its original volume. So V1 is 4 and V2 is 1. Okay, so 4 by 1 into, we know the value of gamma, 1.5 minus 1. 300 into 4, 1.5 minus 1 whole to the power half. Okay, 300 whole to the power square root of 4, that is 300 into 2, that is 600. Okay, then we change in temperature, we find that is del T is equal to T2 minus T1, 600 minus 300 is equal to 300 degree Celsius. That is the answer. If there is any doubt, then you ask me in my comment section. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू, नमस्ते.